In December, summer is in full swing across the Southern Hemisphere. Pepper plants are actively growing, and it's the perfect time to prune them for better structure, airflow, and fruit production. We begin by examining the plant's overall shape. Look for any overcrowded branches, especially in the center of the plant. These can block light and reduce airflow, which increases the risk of pests and diseases. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to remove inner branches that are crossing, weak, or pointing downward. Next, focus on the lower part of the plant. Remove any leaves or branches that are touching the soil. These areas are vulnerable to fungus and soil-borne diseases. By clearing the base, we also improve ventilation and reduce splashback during watering or rain. Now we move to the growing tips. If your pepper plant is too tall or becoming leggy, you can pinch or trim the top. This encourages lateral growth and results in a bushier plant. Bushier plants tend to produce more fruit and are better at supporting the weight of peppers. If your pepper plants are already setting fruit, avoid heavy pruning. Instead, focus on light shaping. Remove suckers, those small shoots that grow between the main stem and a branch, only if the plant is too dense. Some gardeners prefer to keep 1 or 2 suckers to increase yield, but moderation is key. It's also important to remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. These are not contributing to the plant's health and may harbor disease. Finally, always prune early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid heat stress. Water the plant well after pruning to help it recover, and avoid applying fertilizer immediately after heavy cuts. Let the plant rest and adjust to the changes. Pruning in summer helps direct energy into developing fruit rather than excessive foliage. Done correctly, it leads to stronger plants, better airflow, and higher quality peppers throughout the season.